Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to start off with a new series of web designing. So we'll start designing a website completely, just the design part, not the development part. So I'll show you guys which design we are exactly going to achieve. Before getting started with the video, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be getting a notification on it. Do follow me on my Instagram page as well. Let's get started with the video. This is the actual website design that we are going to achieve. So here we have a nav bar on top and we have a slider here. The first session is the slider session, and in second session we have some special deals that we are going to display. We can add few more contents to this, so while designing we'll just look into it. And the next thing, we have the menu part. So here if you check with the menu, we have a background image, and then when you scroll down you have coupons and discounts. So this is a session where we'll be all the offers that is going, all the current offers we'll be displaying here. This also you can do in a different way also, but then this is a simple way, so we'll design this. So here we have completed. First is the nav bar and we have the slider. So 1 2 3. So we have completed 4 sessions now, and the next session is category item. So here if you see, the category items are getting looped. So here I can also like scroll this side, but automatically it is auto looping, correct? So we'll see how to achieve this design as well. Okay, this is nothing but the carousel that we have integrated. So we'll check with that as well. So the next session here is get in touch. Here I have one map. So I've just displayed Bangalore here. Select any place, any location. So we'll see how to work with that as well. And here we have one simple form which takes the input from the user. Okay. And then later we have the footer part. So if you observe properly in footer, we have many things. One is we have the links. So these are the font awesome. So we'll see how to integrate that as well into the project. And here all these are quick links, a special menu, and all of this. Okay, here if you see, the text is not proper, but then here maybe that is because this is, I have given this in uppercase and these are smaller case. Okay, nothing else. The size is varying, we'll just check with that as well. And here I have the location, phone number and queries, and that's it. While designing I have forgotten to add, so let me add that design, which is the copyright. Okay, so here when you scroll you can see you have one border and you have the copyright with the symbol. Okay, so we'll see how to achieve this design in future videos. This video I'm just giving an introduction of this is what we are going to build in the next coming series. Okay, this is a simple design, there is nothing much with this design. I think we'll start off with this and we'll get into a better project later on. Okay, so this is a simple design that we are going to achieve in our next coming videos. So kindly stay subscribed and do not miss any of the video. Here in, I forgot to explain the nav bar. So here in the nav bar we have one logo, this plays as a logo, and here we have few menus, and here we have a drop down. Okay, so this drop down we have register, login and logout. So we are not exactly going to work with this register, login, logout now, but then this is just a designing part. We are going to design only this. Okay, so we are going to achieve few of this which we have designed already. So this is the complete a simple design that we are going to achieve in the upcoming videos. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.